car. Finally. Alright, friends, so we're going to do this last bingo on this lightning link checkered flag. Lightning dollar link, that is. What we doing? 1 cent.
Something good.
$5. Maxed out major. Let's go. These trophies landing like they are something else. Put it down just a teensy bit. Come on, we need 3 race cars, 6 trophies.
Oh, triple A. Triple major would be awesome.
3. Oh my God. Really? How rude, how disappointing for you to come without 2 more of your trophy peeps.
There's our 2.
Couldn't even get a bonus on 50 cents.
Couldn't do it on 50 cents. Wow.
Alright guys. If we come back to this one, you'll see a continuation. But for now, this is the end. Have a good day, good people. Alright. Switching up the strategy. Back with a reload. Got a $100 going in. It is so loud, guys. You see how we don't even have the volume maxed out, but here we are on 5 cents. So, we'll try to see if we can find that's the bonus. Find it. 2 more. Cars. 3. car. Finally. Hey, we games. You better be good to us in 16 doggone games. Okay, 114. Where were you?
Maybe it's one day. I expected at least 2 holding spans. 16 games.
Alright guys. Yeah, we're gonna end this here. We're gonna take back our 100 and then 50 from that one. And yeah, we think we better run. Sometimes these mom maxed out majors are so hard to get, so just taking a chance. Hopefully you get them, and sometimes you don't. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.